Hello friends, welcome to another video on my channel. Today I am going to show you a way to install multiple application on your Windows computer in a go without any interference. This thing will come in handy when you have a new computer or you need to, like you reset your window and you need certain application, but just imagine when you have a fresh Windows install and then you need to install your applications one by one uh, to start working on the computer. But now no more. You can use this small application. It will download the latest version of certain applications and install it, and your computer will be ready to go in next 20-30 minutes. Now, I won't say that it will, give you all the application, but for majority of people, they need a browser, uh, basic image editing software, or file sharing softwares, etc. That will be covered by this tool. So, without wasting much time, let's get started. So let's first go to the website where we are going to, which I'm going to use in this application. And this is a trusted website. You don't need to worry about any spyware or anything because it directly connect with the particular application download server and download it. And most of the application, like you can say 99% application available on this site are free, and like there is no issue of any piracy or etc. So that's a very good and plus point. So if you see, we have lot of application available under various category like web browser. You have Chrome, Opera, Firefox, Microsoft Edge. And if you go for messaging, you have Zoom, you have Discord. Okay. And if I talk about runtimes, you have all the Java and .NET runtimes. For graphic work, you have you have GIMP, you have Blender also, a wonderful 3D application. So a lot of things like a PDF reader, you have a Foxit, you can install Office software like LibreOffice or OpenOffice. Then we have a lot of application that you can use by installing, like in running this application and installing it on your machine. So let's for this particular tutorial, I want to install Dropbox. Okay, so you can also install Google Drive for desktop. Okay, and I just want this application to be installed, so I will show you how we can do it. And it is like very basic. You don't need to do much. Just need to select the software, and then rest it will be taken care by itself. Now, for example, I selected the Dropbox, and do I need anything else? I don't think so, because I already this is just for the demo. I always use this application, and I'm using this applications since the day I was working for Microsoft, uh, for in desktop support. When people call in and we have to, they come up with messed up system and we have to uh, do a format etc, and then to make our life easier, we use this tool to install the basic application. So I selected Dropbox, and I then, after selecting, like for example, you need to download Chrome also, Opera also, you select them, right? In my case, I don't want them right now. After selecting the application, you click on Get Your Ninite, and then you, in the browser, whichever browser you need to, either you can either download it or you can always open it from here also. So in this scenario, I'm going to show you how to save it. So first I'm going to save it. Let me save it on my desktop. Done. Now we don't need browser anymore. We close it. You see, I have Ninite. Now, depending on the number of application you are going to install, it will take that much of time. right? So in my case, I have just one application, so I just simply click on this. It will start set up. We will allow it. Now we will if I will click on show details. If you have multiple applications, they will listed here, and it will show the status. It is not downloading the setup from the site, official desktop's Dropbox site, and now it is installing it. So we have Dropbox installed. So all we need to know, we need to now close this, click on Dropbox icon. So we have Dropbox installed. So now I can sign in and start using Dropbox. Same with other application also, you can do it just like I installed Dropbox. So this is a very basic and easy way to install application on your machine when you have a fresh Windows reset, or you have a fresh computer, or you are going to, you are in IT business and want to install and these basic application day in every day of your life as your work. Okay, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe, share my channel, and bye bye for now. Thank you for watching.